Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili dip with cream cheese. Combine 1 block of softened cream cheese and 1 cup chili sauce in a mixing bowl, then stir until smooth. Fold in chopped green onions and shredded cheddar for texture. Taste and season with salt and a squeeze of lime if needed. Chill briefly to firm up, then serve with chips, crackers, or vegetable sticks for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Start by letting the cream cheese sit out until soft, then scoop it into a mixing bowl. Add chili sauce gradually, mixing between additions so you control the heat and consistency. Stir in shredded cheddar, chopped green onions, and a pinch of salt for balanced flavor. If you prefer a chunkier dip, fold ingredients gently instead of overbeating. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with extra herbs for an inviting finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep dips fresh and prevent spills during transport, perfect for parties and leftovers. I love how they stack neatly in my fridge and save time when sharing food with friends. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For serving, warm the dip briefly if you like melty cheese, or keep it chilled for a firmer texture. Offer a variety of dippers like tortilla chips, carrot sticks, and toasted baguette slices so guests can choose. If transporting, pack in a thermal container to maintain temperature until serving time. Leftovers reheat well in a microwave or oven, and a quick stir restores creaminess before serving again to family or friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.